Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you. Hello, my people. Now well done. On a day, hope everything day okay as we do here, you know. So if things day okay from our side, I'm gonna give God the thanks, because we were there, everything day okay for this side. Yes, so today matter, today case will be say, the audience, the subscribers, the followers, the public in general ones of maybe today matter na about when I don't already see them now, at least when I don't see the pictures then. African Jama first lady, you know, she don't use what they call her subliminal. We come from Nigeria, we they call her indirect. But everybody knows, say, like Benin Proverbs go say, I don't know, but I know how it is in English. Like person, if they make parable, or if they make parable towards someone, and if you feel say you don't know, or you don't know someone you they talk to, and you they talk to, you mean say you the fear fight, you know. But in my opinion, but something of that nature, like if they make parable and it is directed towards you, and you pretend not to understand the parable, you know, so that means you're scared of fighting, you know, you're scared of that person. So that's just the way it is. More speak and way, you know. So now that one did it because this African German first lady, like she really used this subliminal this on African German on Beatrice Okmaika. So she even want talk her name, but she say when next she come for her again, then she could talk her name. Say she'll use 1 week to go off YouTube and other things which she do. She'll just go on Facebook, face this woman. She say Beatrice Okmaika, even though say she don't call her name, you know, because her things they've been cited they talk about out of 999.9 now she talk to. So Beatrice Okmaika they pretend say not be she, you know, say there's reason, maybe she this scared or she just forcefully they pretend of self, you know, because like Beatrice Okmaika, I like her well in person, you know. I first talk her because I just do one video about her, I don't know, like 3 videos ago, you know, like 3 videos ago, like the 3rd video away. I go where I do blessing about her, you know, I really give her advice and everything, you know what I mean? But this time around, it seems everybody now they come for her. Everybody now they come for her, you know? Like these 2 lines where I talk now, these 3 lines, now from me in person. Normally, I'm not supposed to have my emotions to it, but I like this woman in person because I feel she be an elderly person, and all her mates, and I'm not see any of her mates today on social media will be say, younger ones just insult them. They don't give that chance, or they don't do anything. Will be say younger ones will go to insult them. But people like say she like jovial things. She like. Now, man, I just talk, so I'll come back to African German first lady, you know. So I know I'm gonna misunderstanding. So it be like she like lively things, you know. You understand what I mean? Waiting they pertain to younger ones, so young person. She like doing, but she suppose know way to go about it. When you're doing small, you relax. Anything will be say, you know, to the you know, anything at all will be say, not be everything you they pull mouth, because as long as say most of the things where they do now, your younger ones, you know, just they see like your age mate now where they participate for those kind of things. But if you know see the cost not they paying for body, then you feel they continue until they follow and they do now, they cost you, they cost them back. But for me, you know, you got to pay me. I know see they pay a lot of people out there because we be Africans, right? Because when you see that they cost adult, you know, you even want to fight for that woman. You would say maybe you don't know that woman before because she reached to born you all those kind of things. That's what guys they do. But when you constantly say, okay, this woman even like this ongoing they cause you, cause all those kind of things. So you couple like say they just leave her, you know. So as of me right now, I want to go back to that mode of say I be presenter right now, you know. I want to remove my sentimental away. I want to remove my emotions away because I take. Like I told you just now, say I like this woman in person, you know. Like because of her age and she still dey try make she dey get fun out of this social media of a thing, which is good, you know. But yeah, so may I just I want to still stretch this more, but may I just go back to the saga between African German first lady and her, you know. So African German first lady say Beatrice Okpaika go spent 5 years with Oyibo. They look for passport. Oyibo don't love her. She don't love it, but she just wait for passport. She say she don't get the passport now. Yeah, she first is still Milan, and after all, she don't get the passport, don't come up. But even up to now, she never still get the happiness, you know. She said she never still get the happiness. She say whether Beatrice Okpaika dey jealous, say because say she African German first lady they follow her husband they kiss. They follow her own husband though, the kiss for Germany, you know. So whether Beatrice Okpaika, because say she never get cassava for so long, she jealous. If she too jealous or she wants, she go beg her. That is maybe Beatrice Okpaika beg her, African German first lady, so that she go lend. She African German first lady go lend her own husband to Beatrice Okpaika for 3 days. So make she for I don't know how to put this thing. Because I don't want to be explicit, you know. So that makes she for you know, so that makes she for just what's I put it this thing now? Me not to so that makes she for relax herself, so that she'll relax herself, you know, so she'll hit climax. So she go hit climax, so she'll relax herself, all her body go calm down. So, although not be those words specifically African German first lady use, you know, she did more explicit about it. So, and then, you know, so she just say me if Beatrice Okpaika try that kind of thing again next time, she'll see the way she'll come for him. Say she first is still Milan, from Milan, and she can't say she don't get the passport, and after 35 years where she's trained with Oyibo don't love her, and you know, and she can't come out. She reach where she did go now, she not still see the happiness. Say whether, you know, so a lot of things where we say African German first lady really talk. You get me now? Get me so you know. Anyway, I don't finish with I want to talk. You just pay me for say and they do all those kind and they relate this kind of thing because this lady, because of her age, for just like me she relax more, me she relax. Me I don't talk to them or any now my own I just talk so because I not just really see any person that much with day but I do on social media. Even not be say she not fit there, even her age, even those her age mate not there, but she supposed to know how to she'll put herself, you know, not say you know they follow younger ones they play. You follow them play, but not to go far with them. You know, if not, just now. The finish go come, you know, they'll come they talk to you. Maybe not the pain how, but maybe they look at me, they pay me. After a while now, maybe you know, they pay me again. Just they put them as they come, they put them. So many videos where I get about this woman, where younger ones stay in certain. I not put those things for. I not put them on social media. I not put them on Facebook. I not put them on YouTube. I not put them on Twitter or Instagram. Nothing, because I just the pay me say, you know what I mean, but. Okay, my brother, my people, my sisters, my audience, my fans, my subscribers, I beg, this particular intro where I do so, I know some say to do, you just scatter everywhere, but now me just know as I hope someone understand me, you know, because it has to do with elder woman right here, you know, so I don't edit anything, you know, as the way I just talk and so now, that's why I just put them. I know I edit anything, I know delete them, me I come re-record them again. No, now so you go just be okay. More go straight to the video now. Now do it. Now bye bye.
Once more bring that your open because when you not see you enter so they bring that can the kissing why they kiss they pay you. Why you go spend 35 years for Igbo house just because of passport? When another year say don't comment on they give happiness. Why he had be 50 years with Igbo? Why my love my love why? Today now I don't get the passport. Una still they find the love they go. Then all of una don't they turn out to pour on me now. Why? So udege masha to when you go ashabo masha ti wono na. I no balegbe for this one now. So I beg you, just if you know that woman, mona so free tell her. I beg. If una know her, mona go tell all of una when go pay true to God, it's gonna pay a whole lot of people because the way I want to do am. Una see that one for Australia, only one way, or two way, only go me way. Ni me away. Yeah, I too see that day when you say you climb up, you know climb. You see, if I do you, I will legal way. Wowa. I not be those people when they carry their husband, go carry their this thing called they show for social media. I not be them. Yeah, I face you. I will just leave everything aside. 1 week off from YouTube. I will be on Facebook. I will so deal with you. Even if I'm not there, this layer like so stop. Okay? Stop. No, give you a do agbela koko ju ohun. E go me so akoko ju ohun. Iwa warning we now. Okay? If you want me and you do, I will do it from bomba to bomba. I go deal with you. I not they lie you, I'll beat you as they beat small pikin. Okay? So stop that your nonsense when you talk all this lie when you lie. Stop am. Come people wait there for you add. Oh, they no. If me man me atoru wo we gbe to wu wene. That your make's hair, you don't barbara. Come on, cloth mo usia. You don't shave that your make's hair. Maybe that boy uzua. It may go out. I never still talk. Okay? Those one are just intro. When I will come, it's going to be bomber to bomber. Yeah, I will take something to represent you and I will flog that till you get blood and not leave am. Okay? So mind your business. If you depressed, go for help. I mean, can I help depressed people? There's a place you help them. No, na jama. Hey, no, talk to me. I don't be awesome. If you try me, not try me. Oh. I just they warn you now. Not try me because you know I senior you. I'm 58 years old. I'm older than you. I will beat you like a child. I will beat you. Since you don't respect yourself, since when you don't they talk. You don't they talk past boundary now. You don't want to respect yourself. 35 years now we am make boy you know me Milano. 35 years now you take boy penis for maths before you get that passport when you take come out for that country. So nobody beats you because you're not sure for video. Because you not sure for video. I be that Ibo, you go feel come on live video, carry Bible, make you swear say that Ibo not the suck your kpekus. Ama when this one not they go do that one now. Now game we play. He lick my hand, Peter lick you. Now I two lick each other. Oh, don't even know if I can have phone to show it. Now I two do it to each other. We can redo it again and again over and over. That's why I say wanna go subscribe. It not be anything. Now game. So if you not know that woman, mona wanna more. One because if I just sit down here, I come from that cargo, I go so deep. I don't go talk to any other. You know my own get the way they be. You get the way they do. But why your own be like this now? Because I will do to a one BM way bona. It will say you born for abroad. Say, Vicky, when you trade there Milano, you there Torino, I will not talk to you. I will think you know the system. But my BM way, but after waiting for passport for 35 years. And then before you enter monopause, I mean you want computer for your body. The time when you decide to take born, at time come pass, no try me. Okay? If I don't true with people, I don't. This social media, I can't like the way it be now. Anybody or you do you something, and you know you are innocent of that thing. You know where to carry and go there. You know. Now say you reach this time. Nobody they can't do. No. What here you're dealing with? Vene. Oh yeah, get more here. So that they do now. That's even the best. Because even now I see me, I tawi mata ita iwe mawe. See what he don't do now. So he carried that one. He carried people, come scatter them. I was just watching, looking. You don't even fear. You don't even thought, say, this girl never cost me one day. Oh. It never cost me one day. Or, okay, may I buy call her, may I know if this thing are true. Or may I buy do like this. No, because they do, I be mother. First, you go say you be mama today. Tomorrow, you come beat her for Facebook. Next tomorrow, you call down your daughter. The other day, you say you get a naked this thing. Which kind of mother be that one? All those kind of depressed mother. Eh? When you be. Because we not born for real, when they born for media. Stop am. Okay? So guys, that's enough. For now, I just make this video for her. Because don't they talk with you, no, I just want to remind her, say, what tell you know my egbe afia, I am webog boy. Well, I'm umuba, we get do no mukiani, that you get do leg, you can't join her. Okay, do your own. As everybody they do their own now. If you want the sock okoba, go carry sock, do am. Me they do am for YouTube. Yes. And they do am again. Okay? And they do am. Of course, now it be now. Whether you're a person who respect it, boy, respect you no go give. Even your own blood sister, when you and they call each other that day they talk, that one self even know the kind of person where you be. Eh? That one run for see now that one still they run they go. Ema ya no mo we ya harakwa ye kinya ye ku gboto. Ye no boy ku no boy. All the children, my children are back all of them don't fall now, break head, break leg. Eh? Ukmanu this thing, you know they tie away. So I use God beg you. Akinyaba loko nukinyaba they sell and nobody they talk to you. That they say, do your thing when you they do. Then I do my own when they do. My own no need to concern you. You know if you can't tell me how I take rule inside my own house, it not concern you. You know born for abroad now. You don't know how they take for this obodo ibo, you know born. You don't know how they take they buy pampers. You don't know how they take they tie pampers. We maybe they get me there, those stay. If now my husband they hungry you, tell me I'll feel borrow you. I go fit borrow you for 2 nights. Make can help you. Make you throw away that water when it's stuck for your brain and or your ear when deaf you. When not make you they see what they follow you. Me, your age, you know how it be. Anything I be to my age, I can be on social media and not make any problem. But you old pass on this one. When children come, they cut poto water they put for their man. Nobody to even advise you. You say you come from social place. I know some people to be responsible people. All over this abroad. And some women, they are very responsible. And some men also very responsible. Go school, no go school. They are responsible. But all when I your way. Maybe two will see me by. I don't know. I'm just saying. I don't know that they journal. That make you know they know what you they do. So stop am. Not try me, I beg. I use God beg you. I know that one when you they take the compare. So now house go hustle. Your own outside that you go your own way more. You know my life there. Okay? So go away you call. What? And that one I tell you. So guys, I bet subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe, you go see us both the children when they play for outside. Do whatever thing we want make we want do. We they do one. Okay? We like the way we just they live. Happiness now free. Now happiness you not get so. You talk about that they say that YouTube, social media, you take the key your depression. Now you take the key your loneliness. I was just looking, I'm like, no, she really need retreatment. Social media can never cure your depression. You only add to it. Can never cure it. So excuse me, the day when I hear say they talk to me, yeah, they call Asaramo. They don't know say that this Facebook saga they cure depression. I look at you and I shake my head. No, it can never cure your depression. Instead, it will take you from this person to this person. You know that day now you did yesterday, you know how many people it take you. Even that another person still sent message for you yesterday also. Only you did this place. Person warn you. I jumped to one video where somebody they warn you say, the way I your constitute warn you so. So I beg, make I put 3 cucumber for my mouth once. Make I do anything when I want to. You know, concern you train your own children. Take care of them. Go play their hair. Go baba them. That one they okay. My own leave her for me. We they okay. We they find the way we they. Anyhow, now right time, una talk. You know, if you want carry the picture. I go make ya create this way the way for go make boy. Itama we go make boy ya boy. Since you lost your respect, a pie the Murphy that day, he they talk that day, he mentioned one word. He said, this woman never one day insult me. I have never. And anything we don't happen to her for this social media. You never see me on live video because a pie the Murphy. Go for I never do it once. No matter how many views you want give me, I not do it. Not for YouTube, not for here. But do you know that man recognized that thing? Do you know he did? I was shocked when the talker come out that day. Yo, the city, I never cursed you once. I never curse you, but you don't go let you take respect yourself because the depression is all over you. So behave, behave. Me our total I need a phone number. Ya wa call it. Everybody go they call. I'll really deal with you to my own satisfaction. Then I'll leave you. If now you release, you want release, tell me. I can borrow you my man. He will come and do you 2 or 3 days. He go help you release all this water, make you free, make you be stress free. Like right now, all the conjure full your body. But they say you they do it for biblioteca. Then try to go do more. Okay, don't try me. Oh, and this one I get to tell you now. So bye guys, love you. Bye, my people. More than no vessel. I know.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, you don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.